Hello, Dr. Bush here. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Science Tutors and Coaches, with our mini lectures. Today we're going to take a look at histology, at slides, as tissues, and we're using again our computer for a virtual lab. So let me share the screen with you. We're going to get started with looking at epithelial cells. Now, epithelial cells have their 8 different categories, and we categorize them by how many layers there are and what their shapes are. So if we look down here, we have a layer of cells, as you can see. So each cell, we can see the nucleus, so that's representing one cell, and you can see it's only one row. So we call that simple. Now, we can also take a look at the shape. It's a cube-like shape, so we call these specific epithelial cells simple cuboidal epithelia. Now let's take a look at a different kind of cuboidal cells that we call stratified, because now we're adding another layer. So now it's not just one layer of cuboidal cells, but we added a second one. So the definition of stratified is more than one layer of epithelial cells. And still, it's the same structure, the same shape. So again, cuboidal, but stratified this time. And they are found in different kinds of structures, body parts, organs in your body, depending on what kind of epithelia we're looking at. Let me introduce another kind of epithelia, which we see up here. These are flat cells. They are called squamous epithelial cells. And again, we look at one row. So simple squamous epithelia. Now let's take a look at many layers of squamous cells. So we would call them stratified squamous epithelia. And our skin is a wonderful example of a stratified squamous epithelia. Many, many, many layers. As you can see, hundreds of layers are making up our epidermis. So this is the epidermis right here, consisting of flat squamous epithelial cells. Below here is the dermis with connective tissue, tissue that we're not looking at this particular moment. That would be at another lecture. So I hope you enjoyed my short little introduction to the epithelial tissue. There is, of course, so much more to say about different kinds of epithelia, and I will, come back with more videos. Please subscribe to our channels. Please look at our website, but more important is, please join us every Monday evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our free Zoom meeting. This is the time for you to ask questions. It's time for us to introduce ourselves, introduce our services. I hope to see you all on Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with the Zoom link that's below the video. Have a wonderful evening.